Welcome to Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Like, share and subscribe the channel for updated videos. Today topic is reactions given by only aldehydes. Reactions given by only aldehydes. In that first point, first reaction is polymerization topic. In that polymerization, we are going to discuss now about formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Polymerization means formation of polymer. Formation of polymer. Now formaldehyde is there. This formaldehyde, by heating, it is giving paraformaldehyde. The names are very important here. Paraformaldehyde. Here the how many formaldehydes are there? Approximately 6 to 50. These are hydrated white crystal. Hydrated white crystal is there. This paraformaldehyde is a linear polymer. Linear means like straight chain. Linear polymer which show reducing character with Tollens reagent as well failing solution. That means in that aldehyde group is there, somewhere aldehyde group is free, aldehyde group is there, then only it is giving Tollens and failing reaction. And here one more word you can see here, formalin. What is the formalin? 40% formaldehyde. 40% formaldehyde. You can see this one in the biology lab. In the biology lab, generally frogs, snakes, cockroaches, and those are stored in the one bottles. Some bottles you can see. Some liquid will be there. So that liquid is nothing but formalin only. Formalin. We can store the specimens. Next, same formaldehyde in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. In the presence of concentrated H2SO4, again it is forming a polymer. Here the number of polymers are increasing. This number of polymers are more than 100. This is known as polyoxymethylene. Polyoxymethylene. So same udhar kya tha, just only heating. Here H2SO4 we are using. So that's why more than 100. Right. Now again formaldehyde we are using. This formaldehyde allowed to stand at room temperature. Matlab in the chemistry lab you can see the formaldehyde bottle. The formaldehyde at room temperature only. If you store it, if you don't use, if you keep it a long time, then वो खुद ऐसा formation होता है 3 moles. Each 3 moles of formaldehyde is forming like a cyclic ring. It looks like just benzene ring type. Okay, alternatives CH2 and O. CH2 and O. Here names are very important. Metaformaldehyde. Metaformaldehyde. Actually the formaldehyde था ये. So 3 compounds are combining. That's a metaformaldehyde. It is also known as trioxane. Trioxane. It is a cyclic polymer. Trioxymethylene. Cyclic polymer doesn't show reducing character with Tollens reagent. Here Tollens reagent show करने के लिए C double bond OH जरूरत है. So there is no C double bond OH. That's why there is no Tollens test. Okay. ये कब होता है? 3 moles. Suppose if you take basic medium, little basic medium, the 6 moles of formaldehyde is forming into formose sugar. Formose sugar is nothing but C6H12O6 means the glucose type is there. Okay, we cannot say it's glucose. So 6 hexaldose. Okay, so formose sugar is forming a linear polymer alpha acrose. It's like a glucose. It's not glucose, it's like a glucose. 6 formaldehydes are there in the basic medium. Now we are talking about second compound, that is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. The acetaldehyde, again 3 moles of acetaldehyde is reacting with concentrated H2SO4 forming the cyclic ring. Same formaldehyde जैसा ही लेकिन नेम इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, पैरा एसिटाल्डिहाइड, पैरा एसिटाल्डिहाइड. Okay, then 4 moles of acetaldehyde is reacting with the in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. See here, metaldehyde. Okay, here para acetaldehyde, here metaldehyde. Okay, this is also cyclic polymer. Now reaction with ammonia, is forming urotrophin or hexamine. So 6 moles of CH2O means formaldehyde, 4 moles of ammonia, it is forming CH2 6 times and N4, that is urotrophin hexamine it is forming. It is used as white crystalline solid used in the preparation of explosive, used in treatment of urine infection diseases. It is like medicine. Okay, then acetaldehyde reacting with ammonia and forming acetaldehyde ammonia. Okay, then furtherly react with concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 का काम क्या था? Removal of water molecule, dehydrating agent. So it is forming imine बोलते हैं इसका, double bond. So acetaldimine. Okay, directly you can remove this oxygen and H2. Okay, it is forming like that. Then this imine, 3 moles of imine, and trimerizing and forming trimethyl hexahydrotriazine trihydrate. Okay, next reducing character later we can discuss. These are the reactions which are giving only by aldehydes.